Ever found yourself staring at two bank logos, wondering if you're missing out on some secret, money-saving, stress-reducing banking magic? Like, you know you need a place to park your cash, maybe grow it a little, but the options, they can feel overwhelming, right? Especially when you hear names like Ally Bank and Capital One thrown around. They're both big, they both have shiny websites, but is one actually better? Honestly, this question pops up all the time. Ally versus Capital One is like the banking equivalent of Coke versus Pepsi. Everyone's got an opinion, and it's hard to cut through the noise. You see those flashy ads, hear about high-yield savings accounts, and get bombarded with promises of no fees and easy access. But what's really going on? See, the thing is, better isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's like asking if a sports car is better than a minivan. Depends on if you're hauling kids or hitting the track, right? So, to figure out if Ally or Capital One is better for you, we need to break down what they actually offer and how those offerings match up with your own financial goals and habits. Let's start with the basics. Both Ally and Capital One are FDIC-insured banks, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. That's a fundamental level of security, so we can check that box for both. But here's where things start to diverge: their business models. Ally Bank is primarily an online bank. They don't have physical branches, which allows them to cut overhead costs and often pass those savings onto you in the form of higher interest rates and fewer fees. Capital One, on the other hand, is a hybrid. They have a significant online presence, but they also maintain a network of physical branches and Capital One cafes. So, if you're someone who loves the convenience of online banking and rarely needs to walk into a branch, Ally might sound appealing. If you prefer the option of face-to-face interaction or like the idea of a physical location for certain transactions, Capital One's hybrid model might be more your style. Now, let's talk about the real meat of the matter, the accounts themselves. Savings accounts. Ally Bank, they're known for their high-yield online savings accounts. Often, they offer competitive interest rates that beat the national average. They also don't have monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements for their savings accounts. This is a big plus for those just starting to build their savings or who don't want to worry about maintaining a certain balance. Capital One, they offer a range of savings accounts, including their 360 Performance Savings account, which also offers competitive interest rates. However, those rates can fluctuate and sometimes fall below Ally's. They also have physical locations if you want that in-person interaction. Checking accounts. Ally Bank, their checking account is also online focused, with no monthly maintenance fees and ATM fee reimbursements. They offer a debit card and online bill pay, making it a solid option for everyday banking. Capital One, they offer a variety of checking accounts, including their 360 checking account, which also has no monthly fees and provides access to a large network of ATMs. They also offer physical branches, which can be convenient for cash deposits or other in-person transactions. CDs, certificates of deposit. Ally Bank, they offer a range of CDs with competitive interest rates and various term lengths. They also have a no-penalty CD, which allows you to withdraw your funds without penalty if you need them before the term ends. This flexibility can be a major advantage. Capital One, they also offer CDs with various terms and interest rates, but their rates may not always be as competitive as Ally's. Other products and services. Ally Bank, they also offer investment services through Ally Invest, including self-directed trading and managed portfolios. This can be a convenient option if you want to consolidate your banking and investment needs. They also offer mortgages and auto financing. Capital One, they have a wider range of financial products, including credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and business banking. They also have Capital One cafes, which offer a unique blend of banking services and coffee shop atmosphere. Customer service. Ally Bank, they're known for their strong customer service, with 24/7 phone support and online chat options. Capital One, they also offer customer service through various channels, including phone, online chat, and in-person at their branches. Mobile app and online experience. Both Ally and Capital One have robust mobile apps and online platforms. Both offer easy account management, mobile check deposit, and other essential features. The quality of the user experience can be subjective, so it's worth checking out reviews and trying out the apps yourself. The fee factor. This is where Ally often shines. Their focus on online banking allows them to minimize fees. No monthly maintenance fees on savings or checking, and ATM fee reimbursements make a real difference. Capital One, while generally competitive, may have some fees depending on the specific account and your activity. Interest rates. Again, Ally tends to offer higher interest rates on their savings accounts and CDs. This can translate to significant savings over time, especially if you're looking to grow your money. The better verdict? There's no definitive winner. It boils down to your individual needs and preferences. If you prioritize high-yield savings accounts, minimal fees, online convenience, strong customer service, then Ally Bank might be a better fit. If you prioritize physical branch access, a wide range of financial products, the option of in-person interaction, a blend of online and offline banking, then Capital One might be a better fit. Consider these questions. How often do you need to visit a physical bank branch? What type of accounts are you looking for? How important are interest rates and fees to you? What kind of customer service do you prefer? Are you interested in other financial products besides bank accounts, such as credit cards or loans? By answering these questions, you can determine which bank aligns better with your financial needs. Remember, it's not about which bank is better in general, but which bank is better for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.